Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini, air sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Gemini. Two of Swords, Queen of Pentacles and the Sun. Three of Cups, Four of Pentacles and the Star. The Fool. Seven of Cups. You are in some confusion state. Gemini. Maybe you or your person could have options also. Definitely it is about confusion or options. Okay. Maybe you are at some crossroads here. Definitely you are in some confusion state. You have to make some decision but you are not getting clarity which decision you have to make. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Two of Swords, Queen of Pentacles and the Sun. For some it could be third party situation. Children's also involved in this connection could be. So let's see. Two of Swords and Queen of Pentacles and the Sun. You are more concentrating on yourself. You are investing energy on yourself. You are working towards your goals and you are creating more money. Right now you are concentrating on your career. Gemini, what I'm getting here. Because in relationship and your career, you are getting confusion between both of you. You are holding back in this relationship, what I'm getting here, because Four of Pentacles is here. Because there is hiding, there is something mysterious in this connection. Yeah, you want this connection, but right now you are just holding back your emotions. This is not a separation or that type of energy. This is a break, what I'm getting here. You are taking break from this right now. You are investing your energy because you have a lot of confusion around this situation. You want clarity because the Sun, I am getting children's involved in this connection. Then present, Three of Cups, Four of Pentacles and the Star. Yeah, you want reconciliation in this connection but you are holding back. But I think your person want reconciliation. Three of Cups with Star, they're still hoping for this connection. You also want reconciliation but you are not showing it. Okay. But you are acting like I don't want, but in inner of you want this reconciliation. And future, the Fool, the Moon, acceptance. Sorry, Ace of Pentacles. Sorry guys. And the Moon. Definitely there are some illusions and mysterious in this connection you are thinking about. You want clarity. Maybe those are illusions, but you want clarity. And the Fool with Ace of Pentacles, I think there is new beginning between both of you in near future, because the Fool with Ace of Pentacles, there is your person maybe want to take leap of faith. They will give clarity to you and they want brand new beginnings with you. You also want brand new beginnings with your person. There is long-term commitment is coming. And Gemini, for you there is a career, there is stability in your finances coming, because Ace of Pentacles, financial stability is also coming in your way. So there is, I think you are more concentrating on your career, but in relationship also there is reunion is coming in near future. A positive shift is also coming in your life because the Star card. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Pisces. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you, then we will get more clarity. See, Two of Pentacles, maybe your person also juggling, that's why you are holding back. See, because they're feeling overburdened. Under the deck, Three of Wands Waiting game is going between you and your person. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or state. So Temperance, the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius also. They are waiting for the right time. Maybe divine timing plays key role. 9 of Wands, yeah, they're thinking about you a lot. Maybe right now for some your person is guarded up, that way you are holding back. For some you both have some ego problems because you both are very super couple. For some you both are equal, that's why you both if they are guarded up, that's why you are holding back. That type of energy, you are both are mirroring each other. And 10 of Wands, because your person right now feeling overburdened, it could be their family responsibilities or work pressure, it could be any reason, but they're feeling overburdened, but they're thinking about you and they're waiting for the right time, what I'm getting, and waiting. Everything is about divine timing. So let's see the near future actions, Gemini. But I am seeing new beginnings between both of you, because future energy is the Fool and the Ace of Pentacles, but after again the Moon. Strong Pisces, you or your person could be Four of Wands. You both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. Yeah, 6 of Swords and Ace of Wands. Yeah, your person really want new beginnings with you. They are very passionate about you. They are very attracted to you, and there is a lot of passion involved in this connection, Gemini. Yeah, there are a lot of disturbances or misunderstandings between you and your person right now, but Four of Wands, they want this happiness and this happy life with you, this celebration with you. They want to fix the things between both of you. 6 of Swords, communication, fixing the things. This is not moving away, this is fixing things. That's why they're waiting patiently for the right time, because you both are right now, you both have so many differences. In this time they're in this time, if they're making any wrong step, then there is going to be a major damage. That way they're taking their time. They're patiently waiting for the right time to approach you. Maybe they want, that's why they're giving break to this relationship for some. After that they will approach you. Maybe they want to fix the things, then they will message you or communicate you. Right now your person also feeling overburdened. And Ace of Wands, definitely they want new beginnings. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Saggy and Pisces. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Then we will get more clarity. Yeah, Knight of Swords, communication. Four of Swords. Yeah, right now your person is taking break. The Devil, and the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn also. So Knight of Swords, definitely they want to communicate with you. There is communication is coming. And Four of Swords, but after healing, after the transformation. Right now your person taking break because they are feeling overburdened. They are undergoing some healing and meditation. After that they will come back to you and communicate with you, because they really want to fix the things between both of you. Yeah, 2 times communication. They will rush towards you after the, yeah, 3 of Pentacles. You also want this connection. And 3 of Pentacles. And again Temperance. Patience. I think this connection has to restore the balance. There is no balance right now. That's why your person is willing to do. You also want to restore the balance in this connection. Because Temperance is patience. So definitely there is some communication is going to be happen between both of you in near future. And 3 of Pentacles, you both will talk about collaboration and partnership. 2 times Knight of Swords, definitely communication rushing towards you. Yeah, again 4 of Swords. No contact situation right now. But 8 of Wands under the deck. Definitely in near future, there will be lots of communication between both of you. But after this 4 of Swords energy, because right now, maybe it could be you or your person, no contact situation. After the cycle is ending, definitely there will be back and forth communication, and there will be reconciliation also, because 3 of Pentacles with a Knight of Swords and Knight of Swords. Definitely you both wishing for the same thing. You both want reconciliation. Definitely it is coming. Definitely your person want to communicate to fix the things between both of you, but they are taking their time. That is the issue here. So that is the divine timing, everything. Okay, because they want to heal, and it is very good for you also. If so, the person involved in this connection could be a lot of air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Gemini. 7 of Wands, King of Cups, 7 of Pentacles, and Queen of Swords. Communication clarity is coming. You also waiting for your person to come back, and they're coming back with a lot of love, and you won't give up on this connection. Maybe your person also won't give up on you. They won't give up on you, 7 of Wands, because they are rushing towards you. You both are on the same page equally. Your person. Overall energy for the week, King of Pentacles, 3 of Swords, Princess of Wands, 10 of Wands, 10 of Swords. Yeah, they're in so much pain. What I'm getting, they're feeling overburdened. Still, they want rebirth in this connection. And communication, one person is younger than the other person in this connection. They're missing you so much right now. They're undergoing healing process. That's why because they are heartbroken. And King of Pentacles, they're coming for long-term stability. Yeah, they're coming towards you for long-term stability. I'm saying reconciliation because 3 of Pentacles is a reconciliation card. And right now, no contact situation. But in near future, there will be back and forth communication. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you. The answers you need are coming, Gemini. Full moon in Gemini. Wow, what a coincidence. Definitely, you will get answers for your questions, for your problems, everything. The answers you need are coming. This is the message from universe. Okay, guys? So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.